Hello and welcome to everyone. So today we will learn some important words, okay, related law and order vocabulary. So let's get started. Words related to law, order and crime section, right? Lawyer. First word is lawyer. Person. What is the meaning of the lawyer? And a person who's trained and qualified to advise about the law and represent them court in the right legal document, something, right? That is lawyer. Advocate. Support, to support something publicly. Many experts advocate rewarding your child for the good behavior. Advocate is a noun. Advocate is a noun. Person support speaks in a favor of some of the public plan, right? Action. Advocate for the hospital workers. Person who defends sub in a court, okay, something advocate is defends in a court, right? That is advocate. Devil's advocate, what is the meaning? Complete. This is the noun, right? The person who expresses in opinion that they do not really hold in order to encourage discussion about a subject. Often in interviewer will need to play devil's advocate in order to get the discussion going, right? Solicitor, what is the meaning? Lawyer prepares legal documents, okay. Lawyer is prepare a legal document that, for example, sale of the land, buildings, advise people or legal matters, and that is solicitor. Solicitor is a noun. Person whose job to visit the telephone people and try to sell them, right? The solicitor, that is solicitor. Attorney, a lawyer escape who can act for in a court. Person who is the power giving the power on behalf of another business or legal matters, okay. Power something business or legal matter, that is attorney. District attorney, a lawyer who is the responsible of the bringing criminal charge against the particular area or state. And a district attorney means particular area, means कि we could say in area of district. Counsel, advice given by the order people or expert, pieces of advice, something like this. That is the meaning, right? Counsel, sell, and listen to, give support, professional advice, needs help, professional advice, something given by the professional advice. Barrister, the lawyer. Britain, who is the right to argument, okay, in the higher court of law, something higher court in law. A barrister. Prosecutor, public official who charge officially crime and prosecute them in the court. Prosecute crime charge, right? Lawyer who leads the case against the defendant in a court. Defend something in our case. Petition, a written document signed by the large number of people asked in the position authority to do or charge, right? Petition, written by, signed by the a large number of people or anyone, that is petitioner. Law. Petition, formally ask for something in court. Ask formally ask for the something in court. Petitioner, petitioner is a noun and a person who organize sign in petition. Person who asks court to take a particular course of action. Person who make the formal request to in authority. Sue, claim against court about they have said or done harm you, okay. Formally ask for the in a court. Sue against the court. Accuse, done wrong, guilty. Anyone to say that has a done or is a guilty. Anyone guilty, right? Accused, accusing adjective. Showing, what is the meaning? Showing that you think has done wrong. Accusing, and right? Finger, tone, eyes. Accused, accusatory, suggesting that you think has done wrong, absolutely wrong. Suggesting that you think you are absolutely wrong. Acquisition, statement saying that you think person or guilty or wrong, something. Acquisition. And defend, Defend person trial who accused of committing crime who is being sued by another person. Defend, one person is file the charge and one person is defend his own case, right? Accused, plaintiff, person who make the formal complaint against in court, right? Defend, right? Plaintiff, formal complaint, right? Formal complaint. Plaintiff, allege, allege to state the in a fact without giving proof. Allege without proof, okay. Someone is allegation to you without giving proof, that is allege. Alleged is a adjective, okay. Allege, attacker, victim or killer. Allegedly, crimes allegedly committed during the war. Allegedly during the war, like allegedly is a adverb. Allegation, allegation, public statement that made without giving proof. Doing is a wrong or illegal, that is allegation. Allegation, someone giving by allegation, okay. Prosecutor, prosecutor, officially charged with the crime in a court, okay. Prosecutor, prosecutor generally is a word frequently used in crime in a court, right? Prosecution is the process trying to prove court that sub guilty of crime, okay. Prosecution is a guilty of crime, right? Ransom, money that paid. Ransom, what is the meaning? Money that paid. They will set free person, okay. Free person who is being kept as a prisoner by them. Prisoner by them. Ransom means money asked by someone, asked by money, right? They will set free or person. Exhort, make a give some, threatening them. Exhort means threatening them, okay. Someone is threatening to you, okay. Threatening you. Extortion, 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 torture, right? Extortion is someone by you extort. Scuffle, short and not very violent fight or struggle, okay. Scuffle means either not very violent fight or struggle, that is scuffle. Abduct, kidnapping. Abduction, kidnapping, right? Elope, run away, भाग जाना, right? Elope means run away or go. Elopement, elopement is a noun officially charged with the crime in court, okay. Prosecution, person who investigates crime. Summon, order somebody appear in court. Appear in court, summon. Plea, in a urgent emotional request. Emotionally request by court, okay. Statement made by the सब हुई accused और crime से accused होना. Witness box है stand the place in court where people stand to give evidence है ना, अपने evidence देना, अपना सबूत देना, right? Our evidence giving in the court, right? Witness box, illicit, not allowed by law. Illegal, illegal तरीके से ना, in the way of illegal way. Recess, at the period of the time during the year. Committee, etc. Do not meet, na short break in a trial court. Recess, short break in a trial court and during in a court given by the judge in a short break or trial. Recess and to take to order. Recess. Reconciliance, 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 activity getting for information about the military purpose using soldiers plans. Raid, raid means सरप्राइज विजिट बाय द पुलिस लुकिंग फॉर द क्रिमिनल. पुलिस के द्वारा क्रिमिनल को देखा जाता. वारंट, अ लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट साइंड बाय द जज. वारंट. जस्टिफाई, होमिसाइड, क्राइम, किलिंग डेलिबरेटली. कोई क्राइम करना है ना, जानबूझकर कोई क्राइम करना, दैट इज होमोसाइड. एब्सकॉन्ट, एस्केप फ्रॉम प्लेस है ना, भाग जाना, राइट. यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू लिव विदाउट परमिशन है ना, आपको बिना परमिशन के भागना नहीं है, राइट. एब्सकॉन्ट, एब्सकॉन्ट. बस्ट, टू ब्रेक, टू ब्रेक हो जाना, राइट. ब्रेक. डिमोट, बस्ट, स्टोन, मेटल, मॉडल और पर्सन हैड द शोल्डर्स एंड चेस्ट. बर्गुलर पर्सन हु इंटर्स द बिल्डिंग इलीगली इन अ ऑर्डर और स्टेल है ना, ऐसा पर्सन जो इलीगल तरीके से किसी भी बिल्डिंग में क्या करें, इंटर करे। बर्गुलर, बर्गुलर अलार्म इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस, ओके, बर्गुलर अलार्म मीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस ऑफन फिक्स टू वॉल दैट रिंग्स अलाउड। एक वॉल में हम फिक्स करेंगे जहाँ पे क्या आवाज़ आएगी उसकी, ठीक है। Adjourn, adjourn means stop meeting, right? Adjourn, stop meeting, official process, मीटिंग को स्टॉप करना है। Assailant, assailant person who attack physically, physically attack, assailant, assault, attack violently, someone is attack violently, that is assault. Article means separate item, agreement or contact, and a drunk, having the drunk so much alcohol, बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रिंक करना। किंग पिन, मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन, ऑर्गेनाइज और एक्टिविटी, मोस्ट एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन के द्वारा कोई एक्टिविटी को ऑर्गेनाइज करना, किंग पिन, किंग पिन, राइट, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ किंग पिन। लर्च, लर्च मीन्स मेक सडन, बहुत ही सडनली होना, मूवमेंट फॉरवर्ड और साइडवेज, ओके। ऑब्लिगेशन, स्टेट बीइंग फोर्स टू बिकॉज इट इज योर ड्यूटी बिकॉज ऑफ लॉ। ऑब्लिगेशन दायित्व, योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, योर ऑब्लिगेशन। Obligatory, obligatory means that you must do because of the law or rule, compulsory. Obligatory means compulsory, mandatory or necessary. Probe, to ask question in order to find the secret hidden information. Probe, find out or search out. Probe, secret information, your secret information. Investigate, investigate or investigation. Witness, witness means eyewitness. Politico means politicians है ना, बाइक है ना, एक बाइक के बाइक, राइट। यूनिवर्सिटी, वर्सिटी। होर्डिंग मीन्स बिल बोर्ड। हैंडकफ, टू पुट हैंडकफ्स ऑन द पेयर ऑफ मेटल रिंग्स joined by the chain, पेयर ऑफ मेटल रिंग joined by the chain। Douse, stop fire, burning, convenience, help doing or wrong, failure to stop the wrong from the happening है ना, help in doing with wrong है ना, कुछ गलत हुआ है तो उसमें हमें क्या करना है, हेल्प करना है, ठीक है। रिवेज, टू डैमेज बैडली, रिवेज मीन्स डैमेज बैडली है ना, डैमेज डिस्ट्रॉय। इन कैरी, create, imprison, jail, imprison, incarcerate, incarceration is a noun, imprisonment। peddler, person who sells illegal drug है ना, peddler means who sell illegal, in the way of illegal drug sale by anyone, peddler। एब्स्टनर, एब्स्टनर पर्सन हु नेवर ड्रंक्स एल्कोहल, को जो कभी एल्कोहल को ड्रंक ना करे, एब्स्टनर। ब्रेवल, एंड नॉइसी वायलेंट फाइटिंग इन्वॉल्विंग ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, ओके। आर्मरी, एरेशनल यानी हथियार, अवजासना। ट्रांसपास, ट्रांसपास, टू इंटर लेन बिल्डिंग दैट यू डू नॉट हैव परमिशन ऑन द राइट टू इंटर है ना, ऐसा ट्रांसपास यानी कि परमिशन ना हो बट यू आर इंटर विदाउट परमिशन एनी लैंड और एनी बिल्डिंग। ट्रांसपासर, पर्सन हु गोज लैंड विदाउट परमिशन। Meridian, powerful official, high rank in a civil services, okay. So easily we could say is a meridian is in a civil services, okay, work in a civil services। outpost, military camp, ताकि small town and lonely part of the country। legacy, money, property given to by they die, okay। inheritance, money or property given to you, money and property given to you, legacy। Rent, reinforcement, reinforcement, reinforcement means extra soldiers or police officer who are sent to place because more and needed है ना, ऐसा स्थान जहाँ एक्स्ट्रा सोल्जर्स और जो पुलिस ऑफिसर्स होते हैं जहाँ पे उनको भेजा जाता है। आउट प्ले, to play much better than you are competing against है ना। प्रोडोजी, a young person who is usually intelligent और skillful of their age है ना। इंटेलिजेंट, इंटेलिजेंस का यूज़ करना, राइट, वो यूज़ योर इंटेलिजेंस है ना। वेटेरियन है ना, पर्सन इज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया और a particular area or activity veteran legend story or ancient time and a very famous person, right? Very famous person. Legendary means very famous person or truthful person or truthful person. Truth, very famous person. Veracity, truth or truthfulness. Predicament, quandary or dilemma. Vulnerable and weak, easily hurt physically or emotionally. Vulnerable means anyone you or easily uh, hurt you emotionally or intentionally. Eternal, without existing, continue forever, never ending, constant, never ending or constant. Nostalgia यानी कि होम नेस है ना, होमी सिकनेस. नोस्टोलॉजिया, होमी सिकनेस. नेपोटिज्म, शोइंग फेवरेटिज्म और फ्रेंड और फैमिली. नेपोटिज्म, फेवरेटिज्म और फैमिली है ना, फेवर अवर फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स है ना. मंडेन्स, डल, ऑर्डनरी और प्रिटी बोरिंग. मिल्यू, environment or surroundings, that is milieu. Maxim and a fundamental principle is a old saying and our fundamental principle, that is maxim. Mendacious and a lying, dishonest man and a dishonest man or person. Mandate, will to voter expressed by the result or election. Lassued, easy to understand. Lassued, easy to understand. Futile, useless, hopeless, that is futile. इंटीग्रल means essential उपयुक्त. Horticulture, study, practice of growing flowers, fruits and vegetables. Ornithology, and a scientific study of birds. and apiculture, bee keeping, है ना, जहाँ एपीकल्चर हम मधुमक्खियों को रखते हैं, दैट इज बी एपीकल्चर्स, बी कीपिंग. सेरीकल्चर्स, स्किल प्रोडक्शन, जहाँ सिल्क का प्रोडक्शन हो, दैट इज सेरीकल्चर. पोल्ट्री फॉर्म मीन्स पोल्ट्री फॉर्म. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स, too much high frequency vocabularies. Okay, absolutely mind blown words. Okay, so definitely you are watch. Okay, you are watch, and definitely we will meet next video.